In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently forward multiple emails at once using Microsoft Outlook. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you find yourself needing to share several messages with someone else quickly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Microsoft Outlook. You'll typically find it as a desktop application on your computer, but it might also be accessible through your web browser if you're using Outlook online. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your email folders and messages. Once you're in Outlook, go ahead and locate the emails you want to forward. They should be within your inbox or whichever folder you've saved them in. Now, the key to this whole process is selecting all the emails you wish to forward simultaneously. To do this, you'll want to use the Shift key. Click on the first email that you want to forward, then hold down the Shift key and proceed to click on the last email in your selection. This action will highlight and select all the emails in between those two clicks. At this point, your emails should be highlighted, indicating that they're selected and ready for the next step. Now look towards the top of your Outlook window. You should see a menu that contains various options like Reply, Delete, and more. The one you're interested in right now is nestled within the Respond group. It's the Forward option. Give that a click. When you click on Forward, Outlook will open a new email draft with all the selected emails attached, similar to how file attachments work. This method is great for maintaining the originals. Everything stays intact for the recipient. Go ahead and enter the recipient's email address in the To field. If you need to send this to multiple people, separate each email address with a semicolon or use the CC and BCC fields if needed. Don't forget to add a subject line to ensure your recipient knows what this email is about. A short message in the body of the email can also help provide context or a brief introduction to the forwarded emails, especially if you're sending them in bulk and want the recipient to know why they're receiving these. When you're satisfied that everything looks good, simply hit the Send button. And there you go. You've just forwarded multiple emails in one go, saving yourself the hassle of having to individually pass them along. It's a simple yet effective method to streamline your email management tasks, helping you maintain efficiency in your daily communication. And that's it for today's guide. With these steps, forwarding multiple emails should be a breeze. Remember, practicing this process a few times can significantly enhance your productivity and email handling skills. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.